Hello, I am Darshit Sheth, co-founder and director of Renova Lifesciences Private Limited. We are a pharmaceutical company active into manufacturing, marketing, exporting of pharmaceutical formulations, having presence in more than 45 countries globally. We are also into contractual manufacturing of pharmaceutical formulations, working with major multinational and domestic pharmaceutical companies. We have been using DataNote ERP since 2 years now. The earlier ERP we used was less flexible and had some data flows, which made the work a bit difficult in terms of data management and process. The primary reason to choose DataNote was the flexible framework of the software and the assurance that we can get a tailor-made solution to our requirements and we can overcome problems we faced while using previous ERP software. The ownership of the tailor-made solutions was a cherry on the cake. We were able to implement the major portion of DataNote ERP in a span of 6 months. The major benefits of installing DataNote ERP is 1. The tailor-made solutions as per our organizational requirements. Second one is the flexibility. Third one is the user friendliness. Fourth is the end-to-end solutions to all departmental requirements. Our departments where we have been able to successfully integrate DataNote ERP include sales, marketing, inventory and stores, planning, production, quality control, quality assurance, invoicing and dispatch, accounts, administrations. We have been able to integrate all our departments end-to-end with DataNote. Tailor-made solution is the best and the most beneficial feature of DataNote ERP in our industry. We have been able to integrate DataNote ERP into 11 units of our organization along with subsequent users. We would highly recommend DataNote to those companies who really want a flexible, powerful yet tailor-made ERP solution.